Hey techies, welcome back to another session of Algomiz. In the previous session, we have discussed dictionaries, and in this session, we are going to discuss how to access dictionary items. Let us jump into that. Let us first create a dictionary. Here declare a variable car and in which we can store its specifications in key value format. Here we have 3 items, such as brand key and its value Ford, model key and its value Mustang, year key and its value 2000. We can access the items of a dictionary by referring to its key name inside square brackets. Let us try getting the value of the model key, for which declare variable X and write down car dictionary and give square brackets and inside that mention model. Now print out variable X and see output. And here we are getting Mustang, which is the value of model. This is how we can access dictionary items. We have another way of accessing dictionary item using a method called getMethod. See, here we have the same dictionary, and this time let us try accessing item by using getMethod, for which declare a variable X to store the value. Next write down our dictionary and followed by that mention getMethod. Inside parentheses mention the item needs to get. Here its model. Here, printing variable X will give the value of item we have given. It's Mustang. In this way, we can access dictionary items using a method. We have learned dictionaries are created using keys and values. Now if we want to access set of entire keys in the dictionary, how can we do that? We can take the same dictionary and try getting list of all keys, for which declare a variable to store the list of keys. Write down the dictionary from which keys need to be collected, here its car. Next, followed by that mention keys method. Now print variable X and see the output. Here we are getting list of all keys in the car dictionary. The list of the keys is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the keys list. Let us add a new item to the original dictionary, and see that the keys list gets updated as well. For which write down car dictionary and inside square brackets mention new key color and assign value as white. Now print out variable X in order to see the current keys list. Here we are getting output with updated key color. This is what we have said, that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the keys list. Now let us see how can we list all the values in the dictionary. For which let us use values method. The values method will return a list of all the values in the dictionary. Let us try getting list of the values. For which write down our dictionary, here its car, and followed by that mention values method. Now print out variable X. It will give us list of all values in the car dictionary. Just like keys, the list of the values is a view of the dictionary, meaning that any changes done to the dictionary will be reflected in the values list. Let us update an item in the original dictionary, and see that the values list gets updated as well. For which let us change the value of year to 2020. And print out variable X to see the current list of values. Here we got new list of values where year keys value has been updated. Now we can add a new item to the original dictionary. And see that the values list gets updated as well. So this is how we are listing all values in the dictionary. Moving on, let us learn how can we access an item from a dictionary. Item means each key value pair. For which we will have to use item method. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. Let us get a list of the key value pairs. Here we are using the same dictionary car. So declare a variable x to store items. Next write down the dictionary and followed by that mention item method. Now printing out variable x will give us list of all items in the dictionary. Here each items are tuples. So we are getting each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. Now let us make a change in the original dictionary and see that the items list gets updated as well. For which let us update year key value to 2024. And print out variable x and see the change. Here, we are getting list with updated items. Year value 2000 has been changed to 2024. Now add a new item to the original dictionary and see that the items list gets updated as well. For which I am adding one more key called color. In order to do that, write down car dictionary and inside square brackets mention color. Now assign a color. Here I am assigning red color. And let us print out current variable x and see the output. Here we are getting list with new item has been updated. So this is how we will get list of all items in a dictionary as a tuple. Moving on, let us check. How can we check if a key exists or not? Here we have our same dictionary and in which we have 3 items. Now I wanted to check if a key named model exists in the dictionary or not. For which write down if condition and use in keyword. If present, then print out model key is present in the dictionary. Here in keyword is a membership operator used to check whether a value present in a collection or not. So this is how we check presence of a key. So this is the end of today's session. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please do like, share and subscribe. We will see you within another exciting session. Happy programming!